Canada TR to PR 2025 big changes and official updates you must know. Canada's immigration landscape. Guys, IRCC just dropped a major update and it's about to change how you track your Canadian PR and citizenship applications. You can now literally see how long you'll wait and how many people are in front of you in line. No more guessing games, no more vague timelines. This is next level transparency from IRCC. Welcome to Immigration Insights CA, your go-to source for everything Canada immigration. Imagine applying for PR and knowing exactly how many people are ahead of you and how long it might take before you get that golden approval email. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's real now. Let's dive into IRCC's brand new processing time tool that's making every applicant say, finally. What changed? Before this update, IRCC only gave an average processing time based on the program you applied for. But now the game has changed. You can finally check your estimated remaining time until a decision is made, how many people are ahead of you, and the total number of applicants still waiting for a decision. Pretty wild, right? This new system gives personalized, real-time estimates that adjust based on when you applied. How it works. When you open the updated tool, IRCC asks two simple questions. 1. Have you already applied, yes or no? 2. When did you apply? Let's run two quick examples, one for someone who already applied, and one who hasn't yet. Scenario 1, you've already applied. Meet Mary. She submitted her Atlantic Immigration Program application in May 2025. Now it's October, and she's anxious. How much longer does she have to wait? She enters yes for have you already applied. May 2025 for when did you apply? The tool tells her. Estimated time left, 26 months. People ahead, about 9,500. Total waiting, 13,100. If applying now, 37 months total. That's right, she can literally see her place in line. Scenario 2, you haven't applied yet. Now meet Sasha, Mary's friend. She's thinking about applying for the same program but hasn't submitted yet. She selects no for have you already applied. The tool then shows her estimated processing time, 37 months. Total waiting, 13,100. Now Sasha knows what to expect before she even applies. This is huge for planning your move to Canada. Which applications are included? Not all programs are updated, but a lot of major ones are. Economic Immigration, Atlantic Immigration Program AIP, Express Entry CEC, FSWP, Provincial Nominee Program, Self-Employed Program, Quebec Business Class, Startup Visa, Family Sponsorship, Spouse or Partner, Inside/Outside Canada, Parents and Grandparents Program, Citizenship, Grants, Certificates, Proof of Citizenship, yet included, Dependent Child Sponsorships, Adopted Children, or other relatives. Why this matters? For years, applicants have complained about uncertainty. Now, IRCC's tool adds transparency, accountability, and peace of mind. You can track your timeline, compare your position, and manage your expectations instead of wondering when your file might finally move. This could also push IRCC to process files more efficiently, knowing everyone's watching the queue numbers. So, what do you think about this new IRCC update? Do you believe this new transparency will help or just make the wait feel longer? Let me know in the comments below. If you're applying for PR, study permits, or citizenship, hit that subscribe button right now. We break down every immigration update so you don't miss your chance to move to Canada. Subscribe, like, comment. IRCC transparency if you made it this far. This is Immigration Insights CA, helping you turn your Canadian dream into reality. See you in the next one.